Hello, everyone.
And welcome to You Need This. I'm Melanie.
And it's your girl, Darlene, here.
We are using Ninja Pro Personal Blender.
Yes.
It is ranked #1 for personal blenders on Amazon. Killing the game.
Yes.
It is so good.
I love that.
And I love this because it is so easy. I feel like traditional blenders take up so much space.
I'm definitely a gym bunny, and I love to put like spinach and
Yeah.
like flaxseed in it. And I feel like some blenders, you're just sitting there like waiting forever for all this stuff to get grinded up and to be finished. But this is so quick, right?
So
much
fast.
power. This baby is a beast.
I've personally been using the smaller version for like 2 years, and it has changed the game. I'll use like frozen bananas. I love making ice cream, which is frozen bananas that you throw into the blender, and then it
Super
makes
sweet,
it's
right?
so super sweet. It's got the texture of ice cream. It is so good, and it literally takes you like 30 seconds. It is amazing.
Gosh, I love that.
Then you're just gonna pop it upside down. And then from there, you line it up with these notches right there. So it's super easy. It's very hard to mess up. Trust me, I am not the best with technology. And I got this right. So here we are, success in 2020. It's seriously so easy.
Lock it in there and what you just
push it down.
push it.
If I'm home, I don't want to wash an extra thing, so I'll just drink it like this. But if I'm going out and I'm like on the go, put the lid on it.
Boom.
Cheers.
Cheers, girl.
It's really good.
Guys, thank you for being with us on You Need This.
We'll see you next time.